Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce study expenses with Kaplan, beginner guide step by step clearly. If you're looking to reduce your study expenses, you've come to the right place. Start by assessing your current educational costs. Identify the areas where you spend the most money, such as books and resources. Next, explore Kaplan's free resources. Visit Kaplan's official website for valuable study materials. Take advantage of free webinars and online workshops offered by Kaplan. Consider using Kaplan's study guides, which can provide a structured learning path. Look into joining Kaplan's online forums for additional support and resources. Participate in study groups to share materials and knowledge with peers. Research Kaplan's scholarships and financial aid opportunities. Applying for these can significantly lower your overall costs. Check for promotional discounts on Kaplan courses throughout the year. Stay informed about any seasonal sales or bundle offers. Consider online courses over in-person classes to save on transportation and accommodation costs. When choosing courses, select the ones that are aligned with your goals to avoid unnecessary expenses. Keep track of your spending and adjust your study plan accordingly. Utilize public libraries for additional resources and study space. Finally, take advantage of any money-back guarantees that Kaplan offers. This ensures you're not committing more than you need to right away. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to reducing your study expenses with Kaplan effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.